Why, hello, Miss Simmons.
That's kind of a low voice, Jeff. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, I think you should go outside for an extra cure.
No, it's too cold out. No, I do not want to go outside.
You have to. Actually, cold air is actually the cure of low voice-itis. If I'm wrong, then report to me.
No.
Go outside before you go to detention for, let's say 7 hours.
Fine, I'll do it.
Thank you. Now, just stay outside for at least 40 seconds.
Well, I guess it should work. I don't have to see him for any cures. Nope. No cures. Oh. Huh. Now, my voice is extremely low.